Hornady Silica Gel Dehumidifier Canister XL protects your firearms, gun accessories, ammo, and more from excess moisture, rust, and corrosion by keeping these reusable gun-safe dehumidifier cans handy. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Keep your gun safe, moisture, and rust-free. Portable dehumidifier with highly absorbent silica gel to attract excess humidity from its surroundings. This Hornady dehumidifier is crucial in maintaining the overall condition and shape of your guns. Number 2. Compact, easy to use, ready-to-use gun-safe dehumidifiers with no batteries or electrical equipment required. It easily recharges in a warm oven for infinite reuse. Measures: 9.5 by 8 by 5.5 inches desiccant. 1. 500 grams. Number 3. Humidity Indicator. Ideal moisture absorbers for safes with desiccant crystals that change from blue to pink when it's time to recharge each desiccant dehumidifier unit. Simply recharge each canister by placing it in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven until the silica gel canister turns blue. Number 4. Gun-safe accessories for your lifestyle. Further protect and preserve your firearms as they are being stored with this efficient Hornady Safe Storage Dehumidifier. Optimal for all of your small spaces including gun safes, gun lockers, rifle safe, hard cases, gun bag, closets, cabinets, cars, RVs, and boats, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.